So this is our Atlantic tropical update. We're monitoring that new wave in the Western Caribbean, and it's not even an invest yet. So as we head into the next several days, we are going to see increasing moisture. So this is our 7-day rainfall forecast. So you see on Saturday, no rainfall, beautiful sunny summer conditions, and we only get that one last nice day until Sunday. We'll start to see, Sunday evening it looks like, we're going to start to see a spark of showers and storms. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it's going to be really wet. GFS was the drier of the models of the Euro between the two, but now they're going 12 inches within that 3-day span, and then the Euro is going about 6 inches, and then it looks like a dry forecast to end off our week. So definitely Monday, we're already seeing a marginal risk for excessive rainfall, so the potential for flooding. And if that system does linger in the area, expect that flooding to go into Tuesday and Wednesday, and then also they could bump up that chance, that marginal risk, into a slight risk for excessive rainfall. So this is right now on our radar for in the atmosphere. We're not seeing lots of atmospheric moisture. It's very dry across the region, and that's because of those winds. They are shifted off towards the east and northeast. So once they shift off towards the south, that tropical moisture is going to move through the area. So that's exactly what models are showing. So as early as Sunday, you see that surge of tropical moisture in our area, and that will spark off those scattered showers and storms that we're going to start to see as early as Sunday. So here is those disorganized showers that we're talking about associated with that tropical wave. So we are seeing this in the Western Caribbean and the Yucatan Peninsula. This does have a medium to high chance of development within the next couple of days here. So we're already seeing heavy rainfall in portions of Central America. And as this continues to develop, it will move into the Bay of Campeche early as Sunday, maybe into Monday. So here is what Hurricane Center is going with right now for potential development: 40% chance within the next 48 hours, 70% within the next 5 days. So high chances of this becoming a tropical depression by Sunday or Monday as it continues to move into the Bay of Campeche. This will continue to shift off towards the southwestern portions of the Gulf of Mexico, and then it will shift off towards the coast, and that's what we saw in that model from earlier. You saw that surge of moisture behind it. So no matter the development, whatever this does develop into, winds aren't going to be the potential problem. It's definitely going to be that flood risk, right? So heavy rainfall as it lingers into the area. So right now, Euro rainfall amounts is showing about 5 to 6 inches, maybe 8 inches up towards the lakes area. And then the GFS, which was going about 1 to 2 inches within the next 5-day span, it has shifted into about 12 inches here in Beaumont, maybe 10 in Port Arthur. I definitely think the worst of the rain the threat is going to be those coastal areas, so Sabine Pass, and then up towards Port Arthur. And then, of course, for the entire triangle, you know, Orange is very, very prone to flooding. And then, of course, into the inland portion. So that's for Hardin County and southern portions of Jasper and Newton. And then it doesn't look like it's going to be a huge threat for northern portions of Jasper, Newton, and Tyler counties. Of course, the GFS is showing only about 3 to 4 inches of rainfall. So that doesn't mean you're not going to have high rainfall accumulation. It just means that flood isn't going to be as of a risk as it would for the triangle and inland portions of the area. So this is what the Weather Prediction Center is going with through Wednesday. About 7 inches for the coastline, like I was saying, so for Sabine Pass, and then for the triangle and up towards the inland portions of the area, about 5 inches, and then 3 to 4 up towards the lakes area. So what they're going for severe weather, excessive rainfall, marginal risk for most of the area, a drier scenario for northern Jasper, Newton, and Tyler County. So again, about 3 to 4 inches could be possible according to models right now, and that could all change. So remember, we haven't gotten a low yet. This is still disorganized showers and storms. It hasn't even been named an invest yet. So we're expecting that within the next couple of hours here. So once that does develop an area of low pressure, that's when we start to get a better consensus of the impacts that we will see for our area. But as of right now, a marginal risk for excessive rainfall. But as we head into tonight for our area, it's going to going to be gorgeous out there. So those temperatures are going to be dropping down into the lower 60s, clear, beautiful skies. And as we head into tomorrow morning, we will be seeing about lower 70s. And by tomorrow afternoon, we will be reaching the 80s and then potentially lower 90s for those high temperatures. And overall sunny, beautiful skies, hot. It won't be as humid as it has been, low humidity for our area. That's thanks to that cold front that passed through for Thursday night. And out on the Gulf of Mexico, slightly choppy seas, 1 to 3 feet. East winds 10 to 15 knots, no advisories. We will see high tides at 6:22 a.m., another at 8:45 p.m. For tonight's forecast, cool, clear skies, low humidity, and those low temperatures in the lower and middle 60s. For Saturday's forecast, sunny skies, ideal weather, hot, dry, low humidity, lower 90s for those high temperatures. And as we head into Sunday, increasing cloudiness, rain chances throughout the evening. Monday, Tuesday is going to be the wet of the weather. Heavy rainfall is possible. You saw that flooding. Silver lining is those temperatures may not even get out of the 70s for the highs. I'm going with 80 as of right now. And then Wednesday, we will start to see decreasing rain chances as we end off our week. We'll have more news and weather on 12newsnow.com.